Welcome to your night relaxation. Find yourself a quiet place to sit or lay down. Always make sure that your spine is completely straight. Turn off your phone and dim the lights. This is your time, a time for total relaxation and inner stillness. Take a moment to make sure that you're warm enough, that you're comfortable, and rest your hands either loosely on your lap or by your body if you're laying down. Now close your eyes. Take a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and then very slowly exhale. We're gonna inhale for the count of 6. Then we're gonna pause, holding our breath for the count of 3. And then we will exhale for the count of 9. So let's begin. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pause. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now every time we inhale, we blow up our belly and our lungs, as if we had a balloon in our belly. And every time we exhale, we feel our lungs deflate and also our belly. So just continue breathing very deeply and try to keep this rhythm. So deep, slow, long inhalation, pause, and even longer exhalation. Just allow any tension in your body and in your mind to melt away as you gradually relax more and more deeply with each breath. Take another long, slow, deep breath in. Hold it and then exhale. Empty your lungs completely with your out breath. Take another deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and then let it go. Already you're beginning to drift into a state of deep relaxation. Continue to breathe slowly and gently. Relax. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Sense or imagine a feeling of relaxation beginning to spread down from the top of your scalp. It can be a feeling, or you can imagine a relaxing blue light scanning your body from the top of your scalp. Let the muscles in your forehead and temples relax. Allow your eyes to relax and allow your eyelids to relax. Let your cheeks and jaw soften and let go of all tensions that you might have. Continue breathing very deeply. Now this peaceful feeling or this peaceful light flows down your neck and deep into the muscles in your shoulders, soothing them, releasing them. breath. Allow this peaceful feeling to flow through your arms, relaxing and soothing, all the way to the tips of your fingers. As your body relaxes, your mind completely lets go. Your thoughts become weightless, like wisps of clouds on the breeze. Now this peaceful sensation or light flows through your chest and your stomach. Feel how these parts of your body are gently rising and falling as you breathe, like a balloon, slowly and deeply, calming, soothing, relaxing. Now turn your attention to your back and feel this relaxing sensation flow all the way down your spine. Now this peaceful feeling or light flows through your lower body. Relax your buttocks, the back of your thighs, the front of your thighs, your pelvis. Feel all these large, strong muscles becoming loose and relaxed. Soothing feelings flow down your knees and into your calves. Your ankles relax, your feet relax, your toes relax. Your entire body is soft, calm, and relaxed. Now it's time to leave the external world behind and go on an inner journey, a journey to a place of deep inner stillness. Feel yourself sliding into a deep state of relaxation. Your thoughts simply melt away. All is still and silent. The only sound that remains is the sound of your breath. Deep, long, nourishing breaths in and out, like waves. You feel timeless, vast, empty, relaxed, in harmony. For the next few minutes, enjoy this experience of solitude and inner silence. When thoughts arise, simply let them go and return your awareness to the sound of your breath. In a moment, I will count to 3. If you choose to sleep, you can drift into a relaxing and pleasant sleep on the count of 3. If you wish to become fully awake, you can increase your alertness and become fully alert on the count of 3. 1. Take a deep cleansing breath in and exhale very slowly. 2. Take another deep breath in and exhale fully. 3. You're feeling calm, confident, refreshed, and completely in harmony. Thanks for trusting me to guide you through this journey. Namaste.